The following are basic questions na sobrang daming nagkakamali. Participate for you to learn kung bakit. So let's do this 15 item na mga questions, simple question, basic question. If you haven't answered them yet, answer them first before you will see our solutions with the references. Before we will start, ito yung mga list of questions. Bali itong 15 na ito na walang pinipili kasi kahit tapos ka pa sa lahat ng kurso, kung mali ang sagot nyo, mali yan talaga. Ang point ko is, kapag sinabi kong mali sila, they tend to brag themselves. Maraming nagsasabing, engineer ako, BS Math ako, commerce ako, o kung ano-ano pa yung mga kursong binanggit nila, meron pang mga teacher. So, ano ngayon? Yan ba ang basihan na tama ka na? Dahil sa kursong natapos mo, meaning perfect ang grades mo since grade 1 until na natapos mo yung kurso? Uulitin ko, yung point ko ay wala yan sa kursong natapos mo. Magbase tayo sa references. Meron tayong tinatawag na review. Ang ibig sabihin ng review ay yung i-refresh natin yung kung ano yung napag-aralan natin dati. Kaya meron tayong tinatawag na references. Itong mga ganitong klaseng tao na masyadong believe sa sarili, sila yung mahirap turuan. Kasi sila yung parang wala nang nakakaangat sa kanila ba? Sila yung pinaka-highest na sa lahat. Kasi when it comes to PEMDAS, example lang yung PEMDAS ha, pinaka-basic na yon. Tapos may magsasabing isang katulad ko lang na sasabihin, mali yan at ganito yung tama. So, yung defense mechanism nila, sasabihin sa'yo na, uy, engineer ako, sino ka ba? Para turuan ako na mali yung sagot ko. Pero, mali naman talaga. So, yun na nga, ano ngayon kung engineer ka, kung mali naman talaga ang sagot mo? Umpisahan na natin kasi masyado ng mahaba yung introduction ko. Let's start PEMDAS. Number 1. There are 2 operations involved here. Meron tayong division at saka multiplication. Kapag more than 1 na operation, gamitan natin ng order of operations. Ngayon, ito ay kilalang PEMDAS. Ang kabuuan niyan ay PEMDAS. Meron ding GEMDAS. Sa ibang bansa, merong BODMAS. BODMAS, lalo na sa India. Ito yan yung acronym na ginagamit nila. Meron ding BEDMAS, BIDMAS, at meron ding GEMS. GEMS. Itong 12 divided by 4 times 3, masasagutan ito sa mga hindi nakakaalam ng PEMDAS or order of operation kasi ang gagawin nila ay from left to right lang. At ang sagot dyan ay 9, which is actually tama yung 9. Ngayon, ang magkakamali lang sa tanong na ito ay yung those who heard about PEMDAS. Yung naririnig lang nila o nababasa lang nila yung PEMDAS pero hindi nila alam yung method nito. So when we say PEMDAS, yung maling method uunahin nila yung multiplication. Yun ang common error. Yung unahin ang multiplication kahit nauna naman si division. So mali yung 1 na yan. Para sa detalye kung bakit mali ang 1, babalikan natin ang order of operations. There are only 4 steps sa order of operation. Ang first step, ang unang gagawin mo, yung nasa loob ng parenthesis, groupings or brackets. Kapag walang parenthesis, walang brackets, walang groupings, ignore mo yung step number 1. Let's proceed step number 2. Exponent, orders, or indices. Hanggang ngayon, di ko pa rin ma-pronounce itong meaning ng I dito. So this is step number 2. Kung walang exponent, so proceed ka lang sa step number 3. Multiplication and division, rank equally yan siya. Kaya solve them whichever comes first from left to right. Itong GEMS dito, ang nasa likod nitong letter M, letter D yan siya. GEMS lang for short. Bali, under sa M is letter D. Pero kalimutan mo yan kasi ang known naman sa atin ay yung PEMDAS, EMDAS, GEMDAS. So, doon tayo mag-focus. Or kung malilito kayo, order of operations ang tawag nito. Step number 4, addition and subtraction. Rank equally yan siya. Kaya whichever comes first, solve them from left to right. Para kapanipaniwala yung mga sinasabi ko dito sa order of operations, itong mga acronyms na ito, isa-isahin natin yung mga references from grade 4, grade 5, grade 6, grade 7 at meron din tayong elementary algebra regarding order of operations. Unahin natin yung libro sa grade 4. Ang tanong dito, which of the answers is correct? Kung 84 minus 25 plus 13 minus 7. Is it itong letter A na from left to right? Is it itong letter B na inuna yung addition bago yung lahat ng mga subtraction? Ito yung common error. Is it letter C na from right to left? Basahin natin dito. To make sure, we will all arrive at the same answer. The order of operations was agreed upon. Kung sakaling di nyo like yung pag-pronounce ko, doon kayo mag-focus kung naintindihan ang tanong na lang. Naintindihan mo ba ito? To make sure we will all arrive at the same answer, the order of operations was agreed upon. Since there is only addition and subtraction, in the number sentence, we work from left to right. Thus, the correct answer is letter A. Asan si letter A? Si letter A, left to right. Kung alin ang nauna si subtraction, di ba? Inuna naman niya. Ngayon, uulitin ko yung tanong. Naintindihan mo ba ito mismong reference na to, grade 4 textbook? To make sure we will all arrive at the same answer. Para daw maging pareho tayo ng sagot lahat. The order of operations was agreed upon. Kaya meron tayong order of operations. Since there are only addition and subtraction dito, we work from left to right. Now, let's proceed sa next page ng grade 4 textbook. Which one is correct? 6 divided by 8 times 4 divided by 2. Is it letter A na unahin yung multiplication bago yung mga divisions dito? Is it letter B na from left to right? Or is it letter C na from right to left? Basahin natin yung sagot dito sa grade 4 textbook. Andito sa baba. Since there is only multiplication and division in the number sentence, we work from left to right. Thus, the correct answer is letter B. Asan ang letter B dito? Obviously, ito yung letter B. Para sa hindi nakakaintindi, uulitin ko. This is from grade 4 textbook. Grade 4, nasa elementary na libro. Since there is only multiplication and division in the number sentence, we work from left to right. Remember yung word na left to right para hindi nyo makalimutan pag mag-proceed na tayo sa mga libro sa grade 5, grade 6, grade 7 na mga textbook. We work from left to right. Thus, the correct answer is letter B. Klaro naman siguro yon. So, let's proceed na sa grade 5 textbook. Ito ay from grade 4 textbook. This is from grade 5 textbook. A series of operations may also involve grouping symbols and exponents. In solving series of operations, the following rules can be used. Rule number 1. Simplify the operations inside the grouping symbols first. Grouping symbols are always done from the innermost set outward. Rule number 2. Evaluate exponential expressions. Rule number 3. Multiply and divide in the order they appear from left to right. Uulitin natin yung rule number 3 kasi maraming hindi nakaka-gets dito. Kaya lagi kong sinasabi na i-develop yung reading comprehension nyo. Kung sakaling pangit yung pagka-pronounce ko, ang tanong lang, naintindihan ba natin ito? Rule number 3 or step number 3, multiply and divide in the order they appear. Ano ba Tagalog dito? In the order they appear. Kung ano yung nakikita mo ba sa between multiplication and division. We will solve them from left to right. And rule number 4, ganun din. Si add and subtract in the order they appear from left to right. Kung sakali hindi pa rin ito gets, meron tayong grade 6 textbook. The following is the order of operations. Ito ay galing sa grade 6 textbook. Number 1, compute the expressions in parentheses first. Number 2, evaluate exponents. Number 3, multiply or divide from left to right. Number 4, add or subtract from left to right. Kailangan ko pa ba itong itagalog or ibisaya ko kaya? Multiply or divide, kung alin dyan ang mauna, from left to right. Ganon din si add and subtract, kung alin dyan ang mauna, from left to right. This is from grade 6 textbook. Kaya don't tell me na hindi yan tinuturo sa elementary kasi nandyan yan. Ang tawag dyan is order of operation. Kaya binigyan na kayo ng acronym na PEMDAS or EMDAS para hindi nyo makalimutan yung pagkasunod-sunod nito. Bago tayo mag-proceed sa grade 7 na textbook, dito muna tayo sa study.com. Sa number 1, P as the first letter means you complete any operations in grouping symbols first. Dito tayo sa number 2. Look for exponents. Kaya yung E sa PEMDAS. Ignore any other operations and take any numbers with exponents to their respective powers. Now, dito tayo sa number 3. Even though M for multiplication in PEMDAS comes before D for division, these two operations, ulitin ko ha, these two operations have the same priority. Kung hindi nyo naintindihan yon, uulitin ko. Even though, kahit daw si M for multiplication ay sa PEMDAS nauna kaysa D for division, itong dalawa, these two operations, actually have the same priority. Bali, they rank equally. So, complete only those two operations in the order they occur from left to right. Remember, yung una pa lang, yung grade 4 textbook, meron na tayong word na left to right kapag multiplication and division. At ganon din sa step number 4, even though A for addition is in PEMDAS before S for subtraction, these two operations also have the same priority. You look for these last two operations from left to right and complete them in that order. Klaro man siguro yun, yung step number 4. So, sa PEMDAS, 4 lang yung step. Ang number 1 ay yung parenthesis. Number 2, yung exponent. Number 3 ay yung multiplication and division. They rank equally, kaya kung alin lang ang mauna from left to right. Number 4, even though A for addition is in PEMDAS before S, they rank equally kasi same priority. Kaya kung alin lang ang mauna sa kanila, uunahin natin yan from left to right. Now, let's proceed sa grade 7 textbook. Grade 7 textbook. Expressions can be more than one operation. The order in which the operations are performed is important. Mathematicians have agreed to evaluate expressions in the following order. Number 1, simplify all operations inside the grouping symbols. Number 2, evaluate exponents. An exponent tells how many times a number is multiplied to itself. So the number to be multiplied by itself is called the base. Okay, dito tayo sa number 3. Importante itong number 3 and number 4. Kasi dito laging maraming nagkakamali. Perform all multiplication and division. Lahat ng multiplication and division from left to right. Kasi they rank equally. Remember yung grade 4 textbook. Now, step number 4, perform all addition and subtractions from left to right. Remember, kung hindi pa rin ito gets, i-review nyo na lang yung video kasi inuulit lang from grade 4 until na meron tayong study.com then maganda naman kasi ang pagkapaliwanag doon sa previous nito yung study.com kung bakit yung M and D ay from left to right, yung mga ganyan, at saka yung A and S from left to right, kung alin ang mauna. Maganda ang pagkapaliwanag. And I hope, kung hindi pa rin ito klaro, i-review nyo na lang yung video ito or tingnan nyo yung description ng video ito kasi ilalagay ko rin yung mga links sa iba pang mga examples when it comes to PEMDAS. Ngayon, babalikan natin. Ano ang sagot mo sa number 1 after nating i-review yung grade 4, grade 5, grade 6, pati na yung grade 7 na textbook, pati pa yung study.com na mas malinaw naman ang pagkapaliwanag doon regarding PEMDAS. 12 divided by 4 times 3. Uunahin mo pa ba si multiplication na ang nandito, na ang nag-appear first ay si division? Unahin natin si division from left to right. So, 12 divided by 4 times 3. 12 divided by 4 and that is 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. So, ang sagot sa number 1 ay 9. Let's go to number 2. 10 minus 3 plus 6. Remember, yung grade 4 textbook, kung alin ang mauna. Kung hindi nyo pa rin naalala yon, i-review nyo na lang. Unahin kasi rank equally si addition at saka si subtraction. So, nauna si subtraction, unahin natin. 10 minus 3 and that is 7. 7 plus 6, that is 13. Kung ang sagot dito ay letter A, 13. Itong sa number 2, yung mga nakalimot sa order of operation, makakatama din sila kasi lagi naman nilang ginagawa yung left to right. Pero magkakamali na sila sa number 3 natin. Erase muna natin ito. Dito tayo sa number 3. Ngayon, nandito lahat. Sulat ko lang. 20 divided by 5 times 2 squared. Nasa loob ng parenthesis. Tapos 10 divided by 5 times 2. Wait pangit na pagkasulat. Times 2 plus 2 equals. Unahin natin yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. Ito munang exponent. Again, inuuna natin yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. Ang nasa loob ng parenthesis, ang nandyan ay merong exponent. So, yung exponent ang unahin natin. So, 20, kopyahin lang si 20 divided by 5 times yung exponent, 2 times 2 equals 4. So, nasa loob pa rin siya ng parenthesis. Next, division at multiplication. Alin dyan ang unahin mo? After natin ma-review, uunahin mo pa ba si multiplication na ang nag-appear dito ay mas nauna si division? Unahin natin si division according sa order of operation. Kasi nga, si multiplication at saka si division rank equally. So, nauna si division dito, unahin natin. 20 divided by 5 and that is 4. 4 times 4 and that is 16. So, ang value dito sa loob ng parenthesis ay 16. Dito tayo sa kabila. 10 divided by 5 times 2 plus 2. Saan dyan ang unahin mo? According sa order of operation or kilalang PEMDAS, unahin natin si division kasi nauna si division dito. Siya yung nag-appear first from left to right. Nasa left si division kay ni multiplication. So, unahin natin si division. 10 divided by 5 and that is 2. 2 times 2 and that is 4. Ang addition, yan yung step number 4. Kaya, plus 2. Ngayon ang natitira ay 16 minus 4 plus 2. Ang operation na andito ay subtraction and addition na lang. 16 minus 4 plus 2. Alin ang unahin mo? After nating ma-review yung order of operation, o unahin mo pa bang mag-add? Actually, kung unahin mo mag-add, huwag kang magpapalito sa negative. Negative 4 plus 2, that is negative 2. So, pwede rin. Kaso lang, maraming nalilito dito. Mag-focus lang tayo sa order of operation. Step number 4, subtraction at saka yung addition, they rank equally. Kaya isolve natin to kung alin ang nauna sa kanila. Nauna si subtraction, unahin natin yan. 16 minus 4, and that is 12. So, 12 plus 2, and that is 14. So, ang sagot sa number 3 ay 14. Erase muna natin ito lahat. At doon tayo sa scientific calculator. Now, let's use this scientific calculator para i-double check lang yung sagot natin. 12 divided by 4 times 3. Ang sagot dito ay 9. Next, meron tayong 10 minus 3 plus 6. Ang sagot dito ay 13. Next, meron tayong sa loob ng parenthesis, 20 divided by 5 times yung 2 na may exponent na 2, tsaka nasa loob sila ng parenthesis, minus 10 divided by 5 times 2 plus 2. Ang sagot dito ay 14. So, therefore, ang 1, 2, 3 natin ay tama. At ngayon, abangan ang regarding sa exponents on negative base sa susunod na video na lang kasi medyo mahaba na itong first part natin with regards to PEMDAS. So, abangan ito. We will talk about the percentage, yung fraction na percentage, division of fraction, regarding sa LCM versus LCD, Venn diagram, marami ding nagkakamali dito, and regarding dito sa subjunctive mood. Abangan ang next na video.